Welcome, I'm Diane from Creative Memories Home Office, and I am very excited to share with you our newest arrival. We are unboxing Little Dreamer right now. It's a new baby collection and it is absolutely divine. So I get to tell you a little bit about it today. We all know people that are expecting, they just had babies, or maybe they have toddlers and they've never had time to put their baby albums together. So this is the perfect time to be showcasing and sharing and purchasing gift boxes for those people that we know. So this is called the project recipe, which is put together with stickers, embellishments, the matte pack. So I'll go through the pieces really quickly. There are two paper packs. One is a designer paper pack, and the features on the paper, they're very soft, cuddly little animals, kind of sleeping animals with hearts and stars and clouds, and they're just, you just want to cuddle them really. And then we've got the stickers in two packs. So one is pure borders and one is our just beautiful little creatures with some sentiments and just so sweet. Plus we've got embellishments and a matte pack to all coordinate. So you can purchase a gift box, you can purchase the decorative bundle, and your Creative Memories advisor will have access to the project recipe for you. This is the Fast to Fab. So this is called the Little Dreamer Fast to Fab in Seafoam. Has little stars and clouds. And so this one has pre-printed pages. So that makes it super easy if you want to go ahead and get started quickly without a lot of fuss, or you can add as much decoration as you want. So with about 80 pictures in a couple of hours during a toddler's afternoon nap or a new baby's afternoon nap, you can complete a Fast to Fab. And then this one is a blast from the past called Baby Booties, and it is so cute. So you might need one of those too. This one is the Clouds Border Maker cartridge. We've been waiting for this one and it is just divine. So this one puts it together like this, and we have more. So not only have we brought a new baby collection out, we also have two other collections. So one is called S'mores, just in time for summer. So this one is a full paper pack, a full sticker pack. Isn't this cute? And the album. So the album is a cedar tree design on a caramel background book cloth. And then, wait, there's more. There's also True North for everybody that celebrates being Canadian. And we've got a coordinating album cover. So this one is a theme pack with papers and stickers. And to top it off, we've got a cardstock buffet. So yes, get ready. It's time for a cardstock buffet with 3 new shimmers in light blue, orange, and shell, and 3 new colors in candlelight, marigold, and Tahitian blue. The bonus pack is lily pad, so that's the green one. So for each 6 packs purchased, you receive 1 free pack of lily pad. So contact your Creative Memories advisor for more information, or go to creativememories.com to find out more. Welcome to our newest arrivals.